welcome back to another video. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. You know we're a big deal, isn't it? So tonight I go up on the road. My little brother decided that he's taking me know, but me when I say taking. Yes, I'm decided. Nobody ever ask if you take it. But anyways, guys, he's taking both of his sisters to, what is this here, breakfast. And I don't know why I'm driving. He should be the one that's driving us, right?
No.
But now you want to carry out or you feel drive with?
Me I get the directions.
But anyways, so we're going to pick up our older sister now and then we go about our business and I'm going to show you like a piece of the day. You get me? So, journey with us. Guys, we reach. Well, see there. You think we can take a picture right now? I'll people them there. Guys are serving. Well, they're serving village. Yeah, when them do Teachers Day, them did. But it's brunching with mom. CJ, you want to take a picture there alone and they will eat? Them not going to say no come. No. In Brighty, we think he might do take out, we might ask. I know that you care me for, but we want to take out.
Just come with the order.
Alright.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Order and then wait to get seated.
What's going on, guys? What's up? I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world. Trust me, you females are very special, because the truth is, if it was not for you guys, we would not be here. You want to say hi, guys? Huh? Can take out the person and say hi. Say happy Mother's Day. You see more garbage truck?
Yeah.
Alright. Tell them happy Mother's Day first. No? Good boy. Alright guys, so Samuel and I are on the road. I had purchased two things for Sammy's Mother's Day, but when I was trying to head out to get the second one, she actually wanted to get something on the road as well, so I had to scrap that plan. But now she's currently out with her brother. He's taking her out for Mother's Day breakfast. Well, I guess it's going to turn into brunch given the time of day. So Samuel and I are using this opportunity now to go and collect it. So we'll catch up with you guys. And remember, ladies, you're very special. You're very special, and it doesn't matter how the situation might look, you are very special. So continue to enjoy your day, guys, and we'll catch up with you. Alright,
guys, we finally get food. So
alright,
guys, and she's still at eat. At least me I drink tea and then take juice, you know. And him a pay because I him say I carry out, guys. Guys, them never remind me say me a vlog, guys. We finish and we are go home. No, CJ want to drive out my little gas. Hey, make sure you know what you're doing, boy. You asked me what you're doing?
You.
I turned off, mute the radio.
Don't put your hand over here, so
Excuse you? Guys, he's not taking us home. He might drive go which part. He want to look if them have something for him and that's it.
Ask the people them if them don't know which part sell the St. Ives with name.
No, they don't know.
Ask the people them if them don't know which part sell.
No, they don't know.
The St. Ives Blackhead Clearing.
Check online.
Someone to excuse me, man, because you must feel like me have money to buy goods and ship goods and pay for clear goods. Someone I'm not rich. Right now, 100,000 I'm just spending at a restaurant there.
But see, guys, you don't know what I tell you now how much you find the cheapest place to carry.
Yo, I lie. Brother, cheapest? Probably it's not in your tax bracket. But yes, if it's my one now, and my money when me park over here.
Anyway,
I'm not park, but you know, as long as I'm going there, I can come out and you can come out and while we can come out.
Okay.
Good man. Come on.
You have fix? I try Sunday we park anyway?
Come on, I park anywhere.
Well, alright guys. You don't know what.
Anywhere you want. Yeah, man.
How where you live? How do you live, Kerry? Guys, he's taking us on a shopping spree. So he said whatever we want in the pharmacy, we can have it.
Your expense.
So we just waste the time. CJ, you know, you buy your bathing brush. CJ have a bathing brush like this. Hey, CJ, do you have a bathing brush?
Yeah, the same brand too.
Yeah.
Same thing, but my one bigger.
Same bathing brush.
Somebody go back everywhere.
And then you have to use the rag for other places.
Yeah, no, but you use a rag to soap up yourself first and you use that to exfoliate.
You hear that, guys? Exfoliate your body with a bathing brush.
You know, so you have to wash off the craft and all of them things that for you and rag alone terribly.
Alright, so we're coming out now because clearly them not have what you want. Guys, I everywhere put up a picture part. We call that backdrop and so. Happy Mother's Day. Okay,
Wait, man, it's here. It's here, give us the mommy. No.
Ready? Okay. Tada. Okay. This sounds disappointing. Like it's not what you expected. No, okay. Okay, get some Sims.
You gave that to mommy? You gave mommy a present for Mother's Day? So we're going.
Expect more. You want me to hold on?
If you want to.
It's not easy to be a mom, but you do it to the best of your ability and makes it make it look so easy. We love and appreciate everything that you do. We love you. From Sam and Chris. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome. Get that wait for something though.
No, I'm not really sure. I already tell you.
Okay. Huh? You can open the other thing when you're ready. You'd have to open it now.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Thank you. Alright, guys. I'm home. As you can see, it wasn't a bad day, you know. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is where it all ends for this video. Just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, the journey continues. Bye. Oh, you want to say bye too? You say bye?
Bye.
Alright, guys.